Assalamu alaikum viewers. Look at Hassan and Hassan's parrots. We have brought parrots for Hassan's mini zoo. Hassan, no. Hassan, do you like these parrots? Love them. Come close to the parrots. Yes, come close to the parrots. Hassan is coming close to the parrots because Hassan likes most. Yes, sit down. Sit down close to the parrots. Yes, you can sit here. Look at parrots. These are the ring parrots. Very beautiful. Yes. These parrots have two wings and long tail. And its color is green and light yellow. Wow. These parrots have beautiful beak. Look. Parrots are playing. And parrots loves to eat corn. Hassan loves these parrots most. Yes. Look at. Very beautiful parrots. Ringneck parrots. Ah. Yes. Yes. Go down, parrots. Fly down. Yes. Look, these parrots have strong beak, red beak, having red and black ring around the neck. Look, Hassan is playing with the parrots. Hassan is scaring the parrots, but parrots are not scaring. Hassan, parrots are getting scared. Yes, look. Parrots are going here and there. Okay. Look, Hassan is scaring the parrots. Oh no. Parrots are getting scared. Yes, Hassan. Hassan loves most. Look, what are these parrots doing? Look, take the close look. Look at parrots. Parrots likes eating chilies too. Flapping its wings. When mini zoo will be completed, then we will put these parrots in its big cage. Okay, viewers? Allah Hafiz.